Yeah, like Punjabi, Punjabi.
I love Kareena Kapoor, Rani Mukherjee, Alia Bhatt.
I'm from Spain.
Okay, so that's my friend and he likes
Yeah.
Indian movies.
प्यार होता है बेवफा
Исчезла мама, я достану.
So hello and welcome to the city of Krakow, which lies in the southern part of Poland. It's rich in culture, it's got a great architecture and is very rightly called as the party capital of Poland. So as I was enjoying the city and exploring the nightlife, it gave me an opportunity to meet these amazing people who were highly influenced by the Indian culture and, more importantly, Bollywood.
To meet my first subscriber from Spain.
प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम.
How's your experience of watching Indian movies? How's your experience?
I like so much. I like it so much. Was so nice. Shah Rukh Khan, Katrina Kaif.
My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. I love Kareena Kapoor, Rani Mukherjee, Alia Bhatt. Everything, I love you.
So the aura and ambience of any good club in the city is just like that of Amsterdam, Paris or Berlin. However, what you would spend in these cities, you would just end up spending 1/3 of that price. So in Amsterdam, if you're paying €5 for a beer, in Krakow, you would just end up paying maybe just €2 for the same thing. So probably that could be the reason why it attracts tourists from countries like UK, Ireland, Switzerland, Germany, France and many other countries. Because in the end, you end up paying a fraction of a price which could be sometimes less than what you pay in countries like India, Thailand and any other Asian country. And most importantly, there is nothing like a couple entry or a guest list, even in the best clubs in Krakow, which means that you can just show up at the entry gate of the best clubs in town, pay a small entry fee, and just get inside. Isn't that amazing?
अब यहाँ पे यह है कि लोग बोतलें शराब की तोड़ते हैं, अपने आसपास में जो है वो गंद मचाते हैं, लेकिन चाहे जो भी हो जाए, सफाई यहाँ पे जो है वो रोज होती है.
Imagínate que Gandhi lo tenemos ahora, el mundo entero
If
va a
Gandhi,
vivir en paz.
if Gandhi,
Sure.
if Gandhi would be here right now,
Sure.
the whole world would be in peace, with life in peace.
Okay, that's nice to hear you. Gracias.
He read, I'm read a book, History of Gandhi.
Okay, history. My
He read,
experiments
he
with
read a
truth.
lot from Gandhi, a lot of things.
Okay. My experiments with truth, the autobiography.
Apart from the nightlife, it has got a lot of things to offer. Starting from the Old Town, which according to me is one of the most beautiful old towns in Europe. It's got an amazing architecture and it's really very well planned. So that means just a couple of hours and you are done with the Old Town. Apart from the Old Town, there is another area called as the Jewish Quarter, which has a lot of historic importance. After you're done with the Old Town and the Jewish Quarter, you can actually walk up to the castle and spend some good time. Entry to the castle is free, and you can actually end up getting some really good pictures and having a look at some of the most beautiful views of the city. So well, this was it, the beautiful city of Krakow. So in this video, I tried to show you the nightlife and the beauty of the city. But in the next video, I'm going to be talking about how you can visit the city, what all places you can see, what is the budget that you must keep in mind while visiting the city. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And a big thank you to all those who've already subscribed to the channel. And for the rest, do hit the subscribe button for all the timely updates. Till then, stay safe and thank you so much for watching.